This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have Steam and a valid payment method. This lets you access Wallpaper Engine quickly. Next, make sure your GPU drivers are current and Windows 10 or 11 is installed, because performance depends on drivers. Once done, pick an installation folder with at least a couple gigabytes free and close games or editors to avoid conflicts. Now open Steam, search Wallpaper Engine, and click Install. The app will download the core files and add itself to your library. After installation, launch Wallpaper Engine and pick a starting mode. Browse Workshop for community wallpapers, import to add local files, or create to build your own. When you import, the app converts format and generates thumbnails. Subscribe to Workshop items to auto-download updates. Configure performance options next. Set FPS limits, enable or disable multi-monitor playback, and choose pause on full screen so games aren't affected. Finally, assign wallpapers per monitor, and use the layout editor to scale and position elements precisely. To finish, save a profile for each use case and enable cloud sync so settings move between machines. Test a few wallpapers and tweak audio reactive or particle intensities to balance visuals and performance. If you experience stuttering, reduce the FPS cap, disable heavy shaders, or update GPU drivers. These fixes resolve most issues. If Wallpaper Engine crashes, open its log files in the app folder and reset settings to defaults. Then reinstall only if logs point to corrupted files. That usually clears persistent failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.